Good morning, guys. I just cleaned up the floor. It's getting a little nasty. The water hasn't been working for a while now, and the residents in another building said that we can borrow the showers over there. So I'm going over to catch a shower right now. Oh, it's about time. Nikki! Hi! Hi! It's nice weather. Hope the drama from yesterday is gonna die down, but I don't expect it. Oh well. At least I can catch a shower. Cold water has been brutal, guys. Doing dishes in cold water, it's just not it. This courtyard is getting more beautiful by the day. Things are really sprouting. The earth is coming alive. Let's go. I like this tree. That was such a nice shower, guys. Oh my god, I'm feeling happy right now. I'm just gonna go do a little bit of shopping. I was hanging out with a few guys outside of my room. We're just sitting there enjoying the sun. I'm gonna go shopping, get that over with, so I can just hang out and chill. Hey, Jess. Wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah. I'm hanging out with Naya and Daniel. We're drinking some chocolate milk with some træstammer, some Danish pastries. It's nice. Har du lyst til en kop kakao? En træstamme? Nå, okay. Jo.
Hvad havde der været? Den der havredrik kan jeg så ja.
Okay. Det kan
jeg blive live på.
Okay, helt sikkert. Det skal jeg sige ja til en gang.
Så kunne jeg godt se, at hans børn havde det fedt, og altså, hvor det bare var min modsætning, så at sige, virker. Altså,
Ja.
Og jeg vil ikke kunne holde det ud i sekunder.
Jo, det er
men
det ser okay ud nu.
Ja. Nå.
Skal jeg hente noget mad til den? Jeg gider næsten ikke gå op, jeg er så doven, jeg er så træt nu.
Skal jeg gøre det for dig? That was so nice. We ended up just hanging out there. A bunch of people joined. We spent hours there. Yeah, it's getting late. Well, not exactly, but I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna lie down for a bit. Just chill out. I fell asleep, guys. I'm watching an Emblem video about poker and eating some cookie dough ice cream. This is nice. Cookie dough. Guys, I made the same stuff I ate yesterday. Steamed broccoli, carrots, chicken schnitzel, béarnaise sauce, and white rice. Hanging out with Stony in voice chat. Spent a lot of time hanging out with Daniel. the guy who lives just next door. It was nice. He played some of his music for me. It was good music. I'm definitely gonna check it out. He sent me a link. I may even use some of it in my videos. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat. I'm hungry. Just been busy talking all day, really.